The S5 Rib Bracket I-IV series is an economical, sheeting-only attachment solution that can be placed anywhere along the roof ribs. An installation couldn't be easier. First off, be sure you've got the right tools on hand. We recommend a screw gun, string line, tape measure, and a rag if the roof is soiled. If you're using RibBracket to install PV panels, help keep your array straight by measuring a reference point for the first module row from bottom edge or ridge at either end of the roof. Attach a bracket at those locations. Then use a string line between the two brackets to mount the remaining rib brackets true to line. If the roof profile is slightly larger than the bracket's legs, push down from the top, which will allow the bracket to expand over the trapezoidal rib. If the rib is slightly smaller, flex the legs of the bracket inward to achieve a proper attachment. When using this method, it's easiest to fasten one side of the bracket first, then flexing the opposite side into place to finish fastening. To secure the rib bracket into the roof panel, simply use your screw gun to fasten the self-piercing screws through the 4 pre-punched holes. Secure the rib bracket using all 4 holes for best holding strength. Now, simply slide the included M8 1.25 hex flange nut into the top groove from either end of the rib bracket. The rib bracket is now ready to install the PV stud for direct attach PV applications with the S5 PV Kit 2.0. RibBracket I-IV offers you a complete solar mounting solution for direct attachment of PV modules to trapezoidal exposed fasten metal roofs.